Hello student, in the subject of health education and community pharmacy, today we are discussing about the fundamentals of microbiology. That means what is microbiology? In this chapter we discuss about definition, classification of the microbe with their isolation method, the various techniques which are used to isolate the microorganism, the common disease which are produced by bacteria, and the microbiology is a science deal with the propagation, isolation and identification of the microorganism. The importance of this class of microbe with the health and welfare human being beneficial and harmful to the mankind. They also cause deterioration of the food and other materials. All microorganisms not harmful to man, they are also known as non-pathogenic, whereas a disease-producing microorganism known as pathogenic, the disease so spread are known as communicable disease. The classification of microorganisms as you see in the slide, the microorganisms broadly classified the various disease produced by the microorganism. These are called bacteria, algae, fungi, mold, yeast, and lactecia, mycoplasma, virus, and protozoa. There are two types in the kingdom of microorganisms. The cells are two types. These are called prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The bacteria are widely spread in the nature in large number. They are present in animal, plant, solid water and the atmosphere. The bacteria not harmful, many of them are useful such as the preparation of curd, cheese, wine and synthesis of some vitamin in the body. The bacteria will be classified as cocci. These type of bacteria are spiral and round in shape. Bacilli, rod-shaped bacteria, spiral. The rigid spiral spring-shaped bacteria, vibrio. The comma-shaped bacteria, spiral shaped, which look like colloid hair. Actinomycosis, the branching filamentous bacteria look like ray of the sun. The mycoplasma, these are round and oval bodies as they lack of cell wall, so shapes are not fixed. The diagram show the presence of rod-like bacilli, spiral and spear-like structure of the bacteria. The bacteria cells are divided as is shown in the slide, having a gram positive and gram negative. The bacterial cell consists of capsule shell surrounded by gelatin or slimy material forming protective layer. Cell wall is a structure which is rigid in nature, capable of survival, made up of protein and polypeptide with mucin, polysaccharide or polyphosphorylate component. The cytoplasmic membrane is a semi-permeable membrane between the cell wall composed of phospholipid and protein, control the passage of nutrient and waste production out of the cell. The nucleus is a material present near the center of the cell. The total nuclear material called nucleoid consists of a single circular chromosome and contains genetic material such as RNA and DNA. The cytoplasm consists of about 80% of the water along with nucleic acid, protein, carbohydrate, lipid and inorganic ions. The ribosomes are present in cytoplasm are the site of protein synthesis. Flagella, the hair-like filament, extend from cytoplasmic membrane through the cell wall. It is an organ of locomotion. Algae. Algae are found in fresh water, river, pond, and pool of stagnant water. Some grow in and on the south or tree or on the rock. They are green due to chlorophyll, manufacture their own food. Algae are brown, blue, red due to other pigment. Algae are unicellular and multicellular, branch or unbranched filaments. Nucleus is present at the center of the cell. The economic importance. Many seaweeds are used as human food, being rich in carbohydrate and vitamin. They form important food or fish. Brown algae are important as a source of iodine used in fertilizer, and they are rich in potassium and mineral. Red algae used in the industry and medicine. Some may pollute water, especially in summer rain, so involved in the systemic and subcutaneous infection as well as inflammation of the joint. Fungi, mold, and yeast. Fungi does not contain chlorophyll. They cannot prepare their food. They are parasite of saprophyte. They are unicellular, multicellular microorganism having a rigid cell wall of polysaccharide. The vegetative body of algae mold known as mucor. It grows on the moist bed, rotten fruit, decaying vegetable cell. On the basis of cell morphology, fungi divide into four types. They are called yeast-like fungi, mold, and dimorphic fungi. Yeast and mold are filling, but they differ in morphology. They are larger than bacteria. They have characteristic shape. Mold and filamentous and multicellular, and yeast are usually unicellular. The function or superficial fungal infection, deep seated fungal infection. Rickettsia. They are tiny motile. They are tiny non-motile gram-negative bacteria. Obligate parasite grow only when host cell. They are intermediate between bacteria and virus. They are closer relationship to bacteria. For example, they are retained in bacteria proof filter, visible under light microscope, stained. They may gram negative, reproduce by binary fission. The mycoplasma are smallest microorganism, smaller than virus. They does not produce cell wall. They characterized by a marked pleomorphism. In the soil and drainage water, the disease caused by mycoplasma include primary atypical pneumonia and genital infection. The mycoplasma are also associated with urethritis, cervicitis, vaginitis, infertility, abortion, postmortem fever, and the pelvic inflammatory diseases. Viruses are literally poisonous. They are smallest organism than bacteria. The size is 0.20 nanometer to 300 nanometer. They can be seen only under electron microscope. Most of viruses are spherical, rod shape, bullet shape, or brick shape. The example for rod shape is the tobacco virus, bullet shape is the rabies virus, and the brick shape that is called pox virus. Virus composed of nucleic acid and DNA or RNA, but never both. Protein wall containing enzyme system, the help of which virus penetrate into the tissue cell. All form of life, animal, plant, bacteria susceptible to infection of the virus. The virus which attack bacteria, destroy their nuclear material are called bacteriophage. Many species of virus are pathogenic for man and cause disease ranging from common cold to highly fatal disease. For example, there is AIDS, cancer, rabies, or yellow fever. The other common disease by virus human beings are smallpox, rabies, influenza, measles, encephalitis, hepatitis, and poliomyelitis. Foot and mouth diseases, the extracellular infection virus is particularly called virion. The various shape of the virus as you see in the diagram like HIV virus, hepatitis B, Ebola virus, actinovirus, influenza, rabies virus, bacteriophage, etc. The continuation with the previous slide as we see the diagram of pox virus, vaccinia virus and mumps. The general structure feature of virus, they are ultra microscopic entity or boundary of living and non-living. Does not possess the cellular organization. Virus carries centrally located nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. Virus may show ecocentral from helical form of structure. The protozoa are the unicellular organism more lightly organized by the bacteria. The important human protozoa infection include the malaria, amoebiasis, trypanosomiasis, leishmaniasis, and giardiasis. Isolation of a pure culture, growth of microorganisms in laboratory media known as culture. Microorganisms are grown on a solid media from a single cell or spore is called colony. When a culture containing only one type of microbe is termed as pure culture, but when it contains several types, that is called the cultures. The genera of pure culture are nutrient broth, nuclearian agar, semi-solid water, blood agar, chocolate agar, and serum agar. The isolation of bacteria is done by the following method. As the procedure shows, there are various methods of isolation bacteria from a mixture. These are called streak method, pour plate method, spread plate method, and single cell isolation by micromanipulator. The streak plate method is there, spread plate method is there, pour plate method, single cellulation of the staining technique of bacteria involve the simple staining, differential staining, Gram staining, acid fast staining, Gill-Nelson staining. The simple staining is carried out by, as the procedure shown in the slide, similar with the differential staining. Differential staining, the acid fast staining differentiate bacteria from acid fast and a non-acid fast. The dye used in the acid fast staining are methylene green and methylene blue. The acid fast not decolored by acid and alcohol. Non-acid fast or loose stain decolorized by acid and alcohol. The Gill-Nelson stain is a type of differential bacteriological change used to identify acid-fast organisms, mainly Mycobacterium tuberculosis and Mycobacterium leprae. The classification of certain common diseases which are caused by the bacteria like gram-positive cocci like Staphylococcus aureus grows in group. They will form abscess, boils, and so many things. This slide we see the three columns. The name of bacteria, characteristics, and disease caused by them. They are continuous. Everything will be shown in the slide. The student may follow this slide by enlarge. In the similar way, here also we see the type of diseases like example we see gram-negative rod that is called pseudomonas. These are straight rod produce water-soluble pigment infect the wound. Thanks a lot. Have a nice time.